Since 2018, the HERM Incline Lift and Conveyor has been an industry game-changer for roofing and solar contractors. The revolutionary material transporter has enabled roofers and rooftop solar installers to quickly expedite work, increase productivity, and reduce labor cost and installation time by up to 70%. The key benefits of the HERM Lift system are: Number 1. The HERM Lift frame is made from FRP. This makes the HERM lighter and stronger than aluminium and steel-framed lifts. This also means it easy to transport from site to site, quick to set up at any location. If you can set up a ladder to get access to a roof, you can set up a HERM, and you do not need any tools to connect the modules and secure the HERM. Number 2. The HERM is a non-conductive and non-corrosive material lift, a world first. If there is any likelihood of electricity danger at the work site, the HERM is the only material lift you want by your side. For more information, please visit www.hermlogic.com.